Ever find yourself wondering how you can lead a healthier and happier life? In our fast-paced modern world, maintaining a healthy lifestyle can often feel like an elusive goal. With hectic schedules, tempting fast food options, and sedentary habits, it's easy to neglect our well-being. However, making small, sustainable changes in our daily routine can lead to significant improvements in your overall health and quality of life. Let's delve into the top 10 healthy lifestyle tips that can help you achieve a vibrant life right here in the United States. Disclaimer: please be aware that the content presented in this video is meant solely for educational purposes. It should not be considered a replacement for expert medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment. Whenever you have inquiries related to a medical condition, it is crucial to consult a qualified healthcare professional. Please do not disregard professional medical advice or postpone in seeking it based on information you have come across in this video. When you're not healthy, various aspects of your life can be profoundly impacted. Your physical well-being may suffer, leading to a range of health issues, discomfort, and reduced energy levels. This can result in chronic illnesses, pain, and a compromised immune system, making you more susceptible to infections. Additionally, poor health can take a toll on your mental and emotional state, potentially causing stress, anxiety, and even depression. Beyond the personal consequences, being unhealthy can also affect your daily life and relationships. It may limit your ability to participate in activities you enjoy, hamper your productivity at work or school, and strain your relationships with loved ones due to mood swings or physical limitations. Moreover, the financial burden of medical bills and treatments can be overwhelming. Let's take a look at the top 10 healthy lifestyle tips you can do right now. Number 10. Nourish your body with a balanced diet. A balanced diet is one that includes a variety of foods from all food groups in the right proportions. This means incorporating fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, whole grains, and healthy fats into your daily meals. A balanced diet provides essential nutrients that your body needs for optimal function. It helps maintain a healthy weight, reduces the risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease and diabetes, and boosts overall energy levels. Number 9. Stay hydrated. Drinking enough water throughout the day is essential for maintaining proper bodily functions. On average, adults should aim for at least 8 8-ounce glasses of water daily. Proper hydration supports digestion, circulation, and the elimination of toxins from your body. It also helps maintain healthy skin and keeps your energy levels up. Number 8. Prioritize regular exercise. Regular exercise includes activities like walking, jogging, swimming, and strength training. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity aerobic exercise or 75 minutes of vigorous intensity exercise per week. Exercise not only helps you manage your weight but also improves your mood, boosts your energy, and reduces the risk of chronic diseases. It's a cornerstone of a healthy lifestyle. Number 7. Get sufficient sleep. Adults should aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep per night. Ensure your sleep environment is comfortable and free of distractions. Sleep is crucial for overall well-being. It allows your body and mind to rest and recover, enhances cognitive function, and supports emotional stability. Number 6. Manage stress effectively. Stress is an unavoidable part of life, but it's essential to manage it effectively. Techniques such as meditation, deep breathing, yoga, and spending time in nature can help. Chronic stress can lead to a range of health issues, including heart disease, depression, and obesity. Managing stress reduces these risks and promotes mental and emotional well-being. Number 5. Avoid smoking and limit alcohol consumption. Smoking is a leading cause of preventable deaths in the United States. If you smoke, consider quitting. For alcohol, moderate consumption means up to 1 drink per day for women and up to 2 drinks per day for men. Smoking and excessive alcohol consumption are associated with numerous health problems, including cancer, liver disease, and addiction. Quitting smoking and limiting alcohol can significantly improve your health. If you have questions about your medication, we created a book just for you. 10 questions everyone should ask their pharmacist. Link down in the description. Please check them out. Number 4. Maintain a healthy weight. Achieving and maintaining a healthy weight is essential for overall well-being. It involves a combination of balanced eating and regular exercise. Excess weight is a risk factor for various health conditions, such as heart disease, diabetes, and joint problems. Maintaining a healthy weight reduces these risks and promote a longer, healthier life. Number 3. Practice good hygiene and preventive care. Proper hygiene includes regular hand washing, dental care, and personal grooming. Additionally, staying up to date with vaccinations and regular health checkups is crucial. Good hygiene helps prevent the spread of illnesses and keeps you feeling your best. Regular checkups and vaccinations can catch health issues early, making treatment more effective. Number 2. Build supportive relationships. Building and maintaining healthy relationships with friends and family is a vital aspect of a healthy lifestyle. Social connections provide emotional support and reduce feelings of loneliness. Strong social connections contribute to mental and emotional well-being. They also provide a safety net during challenging times and increase overall life satisfaction. Number 1. Set realistic goals and stay positive. Setting achievable goals for your health and well-being is essential. Be realistic about what you can accomplish and stay positive throughout your journey. Setting and achieving goals can boost your confidence and motivation. A positive mindset can help you overcome obstacles and lead a more fulfilling life. Adopting a healthy lifestyle in the United States is not just a choice but a necessity for a vibrant and fulfilling life. Each of these 10 tips, from nourishing your body with a balanced diet to maintaining a positive outlook, plays a vital role in your overall well-being. By incorporating these practices into your daily routine, you can pave the way for a healthier, happier, and more vibrant life right here in the United States. Remember, it's the small, consistent changes that lead to significant and lasting improvements in your health. Now, a quick question for you, our dear viewers. Which of these 10 healthy lifestyle tips do you find the most challenging to incorporate into your daily routine, and why? Let us know down below in the comments. For a more comprehensive understanding of this topic, please see the description box. We provide a list of the top 10 questions to ask your pharmacist when picking up your medication. This is not an all-inclusive list, and if you need more information, check out the link below. Welcome to Dr. Vivian Medications and Natural Supplements. Our channel is dedicated to providing valuable information on health and wellness that's made by a licensed professional. Times are crazy, and it's extremely important to be well-informed and taking care of yourself. If you enjoyed watching, please help us out by liking this video. In this way, we will know how well we're doing. And if you like more of these, consider subscribing and hit the bell notification to stay on top of more upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.